number 3 is reject the null hypothesis. So if z sub c greater than z sub a over z over y, we feel to reject HO. So this is the example of region. So mine negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, then positive na ni, so 1, and 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
For make a decision rule where the computed value of the test statistic equal to